This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare React versus Figma. React is a powerful JavaScript library for building dynamic user interfaces, primarily for web applications. Figma, on the other hand, is a collaborative, web-based tool for interface design and prototyping. We'll explore their core functionalities, ideal use cases, and how they fit into a modern development workflow, helping you understand when and why to choose each one for your projects. React is a development powerhouse, excelling in building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. It's perfect for complex web applications, single-page applications, and even mobile apps through React Native. Developers leverage its component-based architecture and virtual DOM for efficient updates, creating the actual, functional code users interact with. Think of it as the engine that brings your digital experiences to life, offering immense flexibility and performance for robust applications. Figma stands out as a premier design and prototyping hub, enabling seamless collaboration among design teams. It's invaluable for crafting wireframes, high-fidelity mockups, and interactive prototypes, allowing designers to visualize and test user flows before any code is written. With features like vector editing, auto layout, and extensive plugin support, Figma empowers creative professionals to bring their visual concepts to fruition, ensuring a smooth transition from idea to design. Choosing between React and Figma isn't about one being superior. It's about understanding their distinct roles. Use Figma for the initial design, wireframing, and prototyping phases, creating the visual blueprint. Then, transition to React for the actual development and implementation of that user interface, building the functional structure. These two powerful tools often work sequentially, with Figma providing the vision and React delivering the interactive reality, forming a cohesive product development workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.